A fancy super yacht designed to look like a killer whale may soon take to the seas. Italian shipyard Rosetti Superyachts has unveiled its new luxury yacht that is designed to look like an orca. SuperYacht Times reports that Project Orca will be 65 meters long and consist of 4 decks. The ship will have a range of 5,000 miles and will be able to travel at a cruising speed of 12 knots. The yacht itself comes with several deck configurations. In its standard configuration, the vessel will have an open deck, a touch-and-go helipad, and snow sledges. The superyacht may also be modified to include an infinity pool or a raised helipad with a pool and spa area in its interior. Project Orca's interior includes 6 cabins, which can accommodate up to 12 people along with a crew of 12. The lower deck will also be equipped with a garage to store equipment like jet skis. Fulvio Dodic, CEO and chairman of Rosetti Superyachts, said that the yacht will take approximately 36 months to be built.
For more news animations and explainers, hit the subscribe and bell button to join the TomoNews family. Thanks for watching.